Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are aiming to crack TCS CodeVita 2025 and get a role at TCS, you are in right place. In this video, we will walk you through everything you need to know from registration to preparation, strategies and common mistakes to avoid. Let's dive into it. First thing first, registration is currently open, but before you sign up, let's ensure you are eligible. So who are eligible? Students graduating in 25, 26, 27 or 28. Minimum age is 18 years, pursuing UG, PG or diploma. You can register through the official TCS CodeVita portal. Remember the last date of registration is 18th September 2025. So do not miss this chance. Now let's talk about the exam structure. TCS CodeVita 2025 comprises four rounds. The first round is the pre-qualifier, the round one. There you will be having six questions. You will be given 6 hours and the difficulty level is medium. Second, the qualifier, 8 questions, 6 hours, difficulty is medium to high. The final round, 6 questions, 6 hours, difficulty is high. And the final one is the grand finale. There will be 10 questions, 6 hours, and difficulty will be literally very high. Each round is designed to progressively challenge your coding and problem solving skills. Now let's talk about the preparation strategy. Now let's talk strategy. If you are a beginner to intermediate coder, focus on mastering these data structures and concepts. The first one is arrays and string, fundamentals for problem solving. Second one is hash map, essential for efficient data retrieval. The bit manipulation, crucial for optimization problems. Basic algorithms like sorting, searching, and recursion. For advanced coders, dive into graphs and trees, dynamic programming, greedy algorithms, recursion, okay, and utilize platforms like LeetCode, HackerRank, and CodeForces to practice. Also review previous CodeVita questions available sites like PreInsta and Unstop. Now let's talk about some critical mistakes you must avoid if you want to succeed in TCS CodeVita 2025. Trust me, these can make or break your performance. First one, don't blindly copy paste from anywhere. Avoid copying code from ChatGPT, Telegram, WhatsApp group, or friends. TCS has very strict Pelgrim detection. If your code matches with AI or someone else's code too closely, you get disqualified instantly. Even a small copy paste can be flagged. So always write your own code line by line. Do not copy and paste in the code terminal in the website during the examination. If you are using AI, do it wisely. Tools like Claude AI are recommended, not ChatGPT. Okay, Claude AI can provide more optimal solution and edge case coverage. But here's the key: never just copy the AI code as is. Modify variable names, change or add small parts of the code, use extra data structures if needed. The combination of AI suggestions and your own logic is the perfect strategy. Focus on quality, not quantity. Many beginners make the mistake of trying to solve all questions in the contest. Here's a better approach. If you are intermediate level, solve 1 2 questions only perfectly. If you are confident, maybe 2 questions or more. If you can solve just 1 question perfectly, that could still secure a ninja role. Remember, one fully correct solution is worth more than 5 half-done attempts. Avoid rushing through code. Do not panic about time. TCS CodeVita gives you 6 hours per round, which is plenty. Use your time wisely, understand the problem, plan the solution, then code. Rust code increases chance of bugs, wrong logic, or compilation errors. Do not ignore the edge cases. So remember, write your own code, use Claude AI smartly, solve fewer questions but perfectly, handle edge cases, and never panic. Follow these rules and you will drastically improve your chances of getting selected. Now the study material like different playlist, different previous year questions link, I will paste in the description. So that's all from my side in this video. If you like the video, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much.